Asithi for instance kunabantu abashona ngengoti bangagezwa.
Okay.
That was very very important ukuthi umuntu wakini makashonile nihambe nyomlanza la shonela khona. Ngisho ngathiwa kubi kanjani but hambani niyolanza umoya because la moya uhamba emkhathini. Kunetinfo etivuswa kwemkhulu. Lithi mayivuswa letinfo lethi maybe tivuswa khona emkhathini leya moya leya iyakhona ukuthi ibenefit whatsoever le esuka ivuswa ngaleso sikhathi leso. Even though they are rituals wakhona but wena iyakhona ukuthi imbenefit umuntu. Yes, that's ikhamandela lelo. Ikhamandela imoya yabantu abasemkhathini, abantu abangalandwanga, abantu abama satanist but imoya yabo iyazula ayikutholanga ukuphumula. They are very very easy ukuthi labo bantu labo mangaphani bamemeta uvusa ikhamandela bajumpele phakathi kuleli yagona leya because they want a place to stay. Mabefika kuleli yagona they feel settled. Mangoba nathisa nje ukugoloka bafakela ingadi sebeyajabela bokulandzela lempilo lesuku ifuna ukuyiphila ngaleso sikhathi.
Greetings and salutation. Welcome to Podcast Club. It's another edition of the show. It's a Saturday. Happy Saturday to everybody. Make sure we are sithola lapha ku Spotify. We are available on Spotify. Check the link on the description. Also, if you want to be a guest, it is simple. You can just take the number on the description on the WhatsApp. You send us a VN and tell us istory sakho. Who knows? Singabe siplome sikhuluma sicoca indaba zethu ukuthi kwenzakalani, you know. So, ladies and gents, Njeng'enjwayelo, I will never, ever be alone. Njeng'enjwayelo, I have my guest. Give it up for the one and only Dr. King Mavula Mjeriko. Po. Yes, I've been practicing, you know. Because I don't get your name wrong. Yeah, I hope I didn't.
No, you didn't.
Okay, cool. Yeah, because I was worried to go to man, what's going on with me these days? Because like I've been getting the names so wrong. So yeah, it was just a little worry. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm great, right.
Yeah, your mic is very far. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I've been trying to get hold of you sometimes. Last week we were supposed to record. It didn't happen.
Yeah.
And, Good to have you. So you are Dr. King Jerikone?
Yes.
So where are you from?
Currently, I'm in Tembisa, Johannesburg.
Mm-hmm.
But all the spirits ling now, namandla lang now, wathathe Swaziland.
From Swaziland.
Yes.
Oh, no wonder your skin tone is lighter because that side like most developed na yellow bone, you know? Yeah, laba bafana nami, are they there?
Yeah, bakhona lapha na lapha.
Yeah.
But bakhona.
The majority of you guys are light skin, eh?
Yeah.
Yakunalanga.
No, ngiyadepend ukuthi umuntu udla ini ngasiphi isikhathi futhi udla kanjani.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Okay.
But ngeke ngamkhulumela umunye umuntu ngiyikhulumele mina because ngisikhathi esiningi ngisendumbeni. Yeah.
So udla ini endumbeni ke?
Mina ngiyadepend ukuthi umngamo ngilethela.
Oh, shadile.
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. Yeah. So how did you discover that you have a gift?
I-calling akusiyinto nje uvela uvuke usuthu nayo. Uqale uboniswe, uma usubonisiwe bese udinga ama guidelines.
Yeah.
Kube khona abantu abayokuguide bakubonisa ukuthi le journey kumele uyihambe kanjani.
Yes.
Mina ngiyinyanga.
Okay.
Ngiyinyanga.
What was?
No.
Okay.
Ngiyinyanga.
Uyinyanga.
Bathi unyanga bami ngiphakamisile ngendlela emeli ngiphakamise ngayo.
Okay.
Yes, ngiyinyanga. Phela kuhlukile.
All right, awusichazele ke hluke kanjani?
Khona inyanga, khona isangoma. Isangoma umuntu wahamba wayakuthwasela ubungoma ukuthi apractice ama cultures obungoma. Inyanga umuntu ufika kuyugula. Akunikete into yokuphila.
Yeah.
Kulungisele yonke ingosuku nayo. Or afike ene problem.
Yeah.
Bese wena ulungisa leyo problem. Ngale ndlela labadala abayokubonisa ngakhona.
So inyanga kuhle ayithwase.
Inyanga kahle vela ayithwase. Phela ukunyanga kusho ukuthi ukulapha.
Yeah.
Inyanga umuntu ekumele ngabe ulapha ama problems wabantu.
Yes.
Ngokomthetho inyanga ayithwasisa.
So now uthwasisa.
Mina ngithwasisa umngamo othwasisayo. Because umngamo uyisangoma. Mina ngiyinyanga.
Yeah.
Mina ngesikhama sobunyanga nesikhama sobugedla.
Umehluko kuphi phakathi kwenyanga negedla?
Okay. Inyanga umuntu waphiwa amakhambi ukuthi alaphe aphilise. It's either kahle noma kambi. Igedla umuntu waphiwa isikhwama sobunyanga but nesikhwama futhi sangaphandle esinyangayo, in fact like esihlala emgedeni or esihlala ngaphandle kwasekhaya.
Yeah.
Lo muntu uyagedla, uyabulala or wenta noma yini but based emthini enhle nembi angeke akhethe or athi mina lokho angeke ngikwente into awenta nje after lapho ukuthi ahamba ohlambulisa isikhwama sakhe masecedile umsebenzi.
So bakhona bezimo in between ancestors bathing like abaphansi in between if like umuntu ligedla uyabulala ophethe emibi nemihle.
Yeah bakhona phela idlodi kahle kahle umuntu lo suke engene kuwena ngoba nakho ufuna ukukuniketa something or akuguide kwijeni yakho kuloko sokufuna ukwenta ngaleso sikhathi.
So kusho ukuthi imithe emibi lelo dlozi lisuke li approve ukuthi you can do whatever that you want to do.
Mangaphani nalo lihambe lisiphathi isikhwama esibi liyakhona ukukuniketa leso sikhwama ukuthi uphinde usisebenzise futhi naso.
Sure.
Phela kunokuphathiswa amandla kunokuthwala amandla.
So what are you specializing in?
Mina ngispecialize kakhulu ngokuphakamisa. Ngispecialize kakhulu ngomhlahlo. Ngiphinde ngispecialize kakhulu ngokuvusa imimoya foreign spirits. Mangikhuluma ngama foreign spirits ngiyakudida.
Yeah, details. So okay, jump before we can get there ukuthi explain one by one. So mawukhuluma ngokukhanja ngemimoya like njengoba uchaza nje uma uyivusa kanjani?
Ngiyadependa ukuthi uvusela umuntu kanjani. Uma silapha kunabantu abayima ritualist. Kunabantu abayima spiritualist.
Yeah.
Mangikhuluma ngama ritualist. Ngikhuluma ngomuntu okunosiko alentayo noma nosiko aphila ngalo noma nosiko ahamba ngaphansi kwalo elenta 10-14 endumbini yakhe ngaleso sikhathi or empilweni yakhe ngaleso sikhathi because ama ritualist akusito phela inyanga kuphela. Na ungasinya ngaba ritualist ube nendlela yakhe engangena because you are a ritualist kunama rituals lo wentawo kube yiwo akuphakamisela whatsoever le osuke ufuna ukudilana ngaleso sikhathi leso.
So right now if ngiyangeza kuwe ngithi ngifuna ukuba ritualist ngiba ritualist njani uyangikhethela i-process izosikhethela in between.
Uma sifika ufuna ukuba ritualist mina ngitokutshela ukuthi khona mapha khona kuphi okunamasiko muphi ama rituals. You understand ukuthi ama ritualist nowadays sekumane kuthiwa abantu abachitha ingadi in of which it's not true.
Oh really?
Yeah, they are rituals vele achitha ingadi but kunama rituals angachitha ingadi. For instance afika umuntu eclubini anithengele tshwala. Anithengele nyama phuma hamba angadli next.
Yeah.
What is that? It's a ritual. Usiko aphila ngalo ekumele alente 14 for takhe ukuthi tiphakame noma timbi.
Just nje ukupha abantu ukuthengela abantu alcohol.
The more you give, the more you earn. Thola ukuthi hamba njalo into yakhe imela nikete abantu 10.
Does that okay, sorry.
Kunabantu fala badouble imali afika idouble imali ayishiye kanjalo umuntu. Akumuleta impahla tishisa tidouble. It's a ritual. Usiko lento ahamba nayo lifuna into lokho in order for ukuthi ijabule bese letha mo ekhaya. Kunama spiritualist. Uyabona? Masikhuluma ngama spiritualists kunabantu abathanda nama spirits, abantu abaphahla edlotini, abathandazi, labo bantu bahamba emoya eclean mostly labo bantu. So kuyadependa na ukuthi ubelonga ngakuphi bese uthola into ehambiselana nokuthi wena unemimoya emiphi noma wena umbethwe yini. Because kunenfo ongayithatha efike ingamngeleki ekhaya.
Oh, it's possible to do that.
99.9% possible. Thola ukuthi idloti la ekhala lingayifuni into engcolini. Ubese uyaphuma wenye elanzi into engcolini. Ukhohlana kulibikela ureportela ukuthi ngisaphuma khona into engisayilanza. Ngoba nemimoya nayo iyahlanganiswa. Kumele into ihlangane nento yasekhaya ikhona ukubambisana.
Yes.
Yabona. Ungaqinisa ukuthi uyalungisa kanti usuyabhidliza kakhulu.
Okay, mawuthi uyalibikela idlozi ukuthi uyothatha into fanele kube ngilo li approve ko lento la before uyithathe or niya testa canga ukuthi idlozi yal approve before umnikeza yona leyo nto le.
Angeke unikete umuntu into ungahlala ngaphansi naye wamhlola. The most important thing ukuthi ucala ulalela umoya.
Ukuthi uthini?
Ukuthi uthini is. Le nfo lenginiketa lo muntu into ohamba ifike njani kuwe. Uthi mawulayela tipoko takho ifune tipoko uyabona. Sikulayela inzaba ukuthi no lo muntu lo le nfo yofika i70 or angeke ifike i70 because maybe ekhaya kunomuntu wayehambe ngesimo esithide esitohamba bese sivimba lento ukuthi bese iyaphakama.
Yeah.
And le nfo iyashaya too much. Angeke uthathe into okuphila uthatha amandla but wena awuresearchanga or wafuna ukuva kucala uconsult ukuthi le nfo lengifiki ngayo into uhamba njani. Yebo.
Okay. Ngiyayizwa ne?
Yes.
Mara ngifuna ukwazi nana sindo kodwa ukuthi nawuthi kufanele uresearch ukuthi lento lezo kusebenza or ngeke isebenze kuye. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi like njengawe nje ne umuntu makafika njengami nje mangithi ngiyafika ngifuna le ezongilethela imali quick. What should I do like in most cases? should we convince idlozi lami ukuthi li accept or fanele senzeni?
Info yokucala ukuthi uconsult. Mawufika ungena nje emsamo siyahlola. Sihlole lesimo ufike ngaso ukuthi sito uhamba kanjani lesimo ufike ngaso. Uma idloti linga approve uyatshela futhi ukuthi no le ali approve because maybe kwachitheka ingadi ekhaya uyothi mawuhlaba inkomo maybe kube khona umuntu ohamba ekhaya kube khona umphefumulo olahlekayo. So leyo nto ungamniketi umuntu umnikete info lobona ukuthi idloti liyofike li approve ekhaya angeke ifike i-cause more problems kunokuthi kube khona ama solutions nokuthi impilo ichubeke phambili.
Or after that then bese uyakwazi ukurecommenda enye ukuthi singazama this one.
Yes, uyamrecommendela leyo ubese uyamthatha umuntu uyomgeza kucala ususa everything kuye so that uma ngaphane sewufaka le info uyifakako ikhona ukujumpa fast i7 ungathi ulanza something ikuphele 3 4 5 months in 5 phakame but ukuthi ulanza into kumele iphakame inemali ayihambe kanjalo.
Okay, so le yabona uthi abantu ubapha imali, it's a ritualist, ubapha imali abadouble impahla and all of that. I just want to know like ukuthi mabapha imali nje kwenzakalani, are you taking their luck as wena ubapha imali?
Asithi mina ngine contracts nenfo yami ngiphila ngayo. Maybe info yami ngiphila ngayo ithi namuhla ngicela uspende maybe 25 30 40,000
yes
uphe nje ebantu so that mina ngitojabula bese ngikulethela momani. The more you give kulabo bantu the more nawe uthola. Angeke ngizikugarantele ukuthi empilweni yabo kuyaphetha or in but engakutshela kona mina ukuthi ayikho iritual noma usiko lwemali leti info tokuphila ongafika unikete umuntu info mahala bese ngabe khona ngisoyigcina ekugcineni.
Yo, what are the dangers then? Is there any danger if ngithatha le?
Depend.
Okay.
Kukhona dangerous kukhona ngekho dangerous.
Asithome ngalokho ngekho dangerous.
Like for instance asithi membulanti khona thatha igona lokuphila amagona khona awengadi khona engasiwa wengadi. Info engenayo ingadi phakathi that thing is not dangerous. Info ledla inyongo that thing is not dangerous. But once wacala wafaka ingadi phakathi understand ukuthi it's blood thili kuyode kuphela because amanye amagona it's a generational thing. Kungaba yelakhi khona usayini agreement maybe enyimbani ukuthi mina mangihamba umfana nami ngoyedwa ukuchubeka naleni for yabona. So kuya depend ukuthi uthathe ini khona kunobungoti angifuni ukufihlela kukhona okungenabo ubungoti.
Yiphi le nobungozi?
Elomngoti yonke info oyothi uma uyithatha kumele usacrifice ngeblood ngisaphinza futhi ngaba yelembuti kungaba yelenkomo leyo info leyo inobungoti phakathi. Once igona wacala walijwayeza ingadi understand ukuthi it will be blood after blood. Uma ngaphane selisuthi maybe liborwa yelembuti litobe selithini maybe ugobela sashona uyohamba njalo uthaphinda sihlambulule lesi sigubha sicale phansi akhona ukusibopha ukuthi siku understand siphinde sikulalele kwaphela yonke into inesikhathi sayo. Once kwaphela isikhathi ugobela kasekho moqabanga wena mothatha into engadi kuthi uhamba njani after lapho. That's why in most families uyakubona abantu be rich but it's ekhaya kunomuntu owalahleka abanyamalala or mhlambe ekhaya kunomuntu ongasaphilile kahle ekhanza ngathi semizini othakathayo. It's because abantu abafuna ukufollow ama rituals. Umuntu fathi into eyibhekile into omngoti phakathi angene ade. Yeah, that's true.
Yes. It's easy to take it, ne?
Yeah, it's easy.
But if like ngiyayithatha manje, how much am I expecting if it does land?
Nama levels awafana.
Nama levels awafana.
Angeke uthi uthathile into ya 10,000 ubese you expect ukuthi uzohamba nge-X6. It's impossible.
Wait, are they paying first before they can get it or they pay after once the money is now popping in?
Uyabona i-safest way if uyofuna info yokuphila 50% unikete inyanga because phela khona ukuthi inyanga nato dinga waste ama resources wazo building a future omunye umuntu at the end of the day isinkwa sabantwana baso nabo. So uma wakha something it's a must ukuthi lawa ama resources now uwabhadalele lawa akha info takho then masibona info takho ihamba kahle that's when then usungaya kugobela uthi ngiyobonga because usuyayibona ukuthi impumelelo naye kuyachamuka nyana.
What is the highest level?
The highest level kwami mina I highest level kwami ispo.
Ispo.
Highest level la kwami ispo. Because ikhamandela ngiyalibona. Ikhamandela inkinga yalo libi lihle. But highest level ispo.
What is Kamandela?
Ikhamandela lapho sesikhuluma ngemoya evusiwe enama rituals wakhona but leyo moya leyo akusimoya yalla emhlabeni. Sikhuluma ngemoya yasemkhathini.
Ka Satan?
Not for Satan. yasemkhathini.
Yini emkhathini? Emkhathini is like what?
Nento masiphila kukhona umhlaba, like when the atmosphere.
Yeah.
Sesikhuluma ngemoya yasemkhathini, imoya engasaphili nathi la emhlabeni but ebeyiphila nathi emhlabeni. Sesikhuluma ngaleyo moya ke nawo. Whereby sekurayizwa leyo moya leyo, uyiraise in a form of ukuthi igcine isikbenefita noma isikusebentela wena.
Okay, so imoya yabantu or imoya yilwane?
Asithi for instance kunabantu abashona ngengoti bangagezwa.
Okay.
That's what's very very important ukuthi umuntu akini makashonile nihambe nyomlanza la shonela khona. Sho ngathiwa kubi kanjani but hambani niyolanza umoya because the more lo moya uhamba hamba emkhathini kunetinfo etivuswako emkhulu. Lithi mayivusa le tinfo lethi maybe tivuswa khona emkhathini leya moya leya iyakhona ukuthi ibenefits whatsoever le esuka ivuswa ngaleso sikhathi leso.
Oh.
Even though there are rituals wakhona but wena iyakhona ukuthi imbenefit umuntu. Yes, that's ikhamandela lelo. Ikhamandela imoya yabantu abasemkhathini, maybe abantu abangalandwanga, maybe abantu abama-satanist but imoya yabo iyazulazula ayikutholanga ukuphumula. They are very very easy ukuthi labo bantu labo mangaphani bamemeta uvusa ikhamandela bajumpele phakathi kuleli yagona leya because they want a place to stay. Mabe fika kuleli yagona they feel settled. Mangaba nathisa nje ukugoloka bafakela ingadi sebeyajabela bokulandzela lempilo lesuku ifuna ukuyiphila ngaleso sikhathi.
Oh, now you understand now uthi moya semkhathini, moya ezulazulako ne?
Yes.
Shit. Okay, so mawubathatha ubafaka lapha emkhathini bayokwenzani bona bokulandela imali?
Ngeke ngikuthathe lapha moya wakho uzulazula bese uyafila ukulalela mase ngigobe ngemithi kuyigona. Because phela makuvuswa igona imithi but okhonayo wena ukuthi uyicontrol whatsoever inside wena is the owner uyakhona ukuyicontrola. It will do whatever that wena uyifunayo ngaleso sikhathi. Yonke ijabulisayo ukuthi either wena mhlambe uyabahlabela or maybe wakho umcimbi bona they are happy even though balapha kulela khona ama spiritual.
Yeah.
Yabona. That's why ngihleli ngithi mina angathi umuntu mina ngihamba nespo. No. Ithi ngihamba nomoya wespoke because ispoke awusiboni but you feel the presence. Uyasiva emandlebeni but awusiboni with the naked eye.
So uzwa ini ke?
Like for instance sisingiyakuhlola nje so. Ngithi yabona Khehle ngo2021 kunomuntu wahamba so yabona.
Oh.
So ukuthi yakhuluma inside la kufaka ama headsets.
Yeah, kwanomuntu okhulumako ne?
Yeah, but akhulumela down then wena bese undlulisa message.
Oh.
That's why ngithi akathi umuntu uhamba nomoya wespoke because ungasisiza akasikhombe ngakasikhombe. Sikho.
So wena unaso?
Mina nginogetegede umlungu omnyama angeke ngithi ispo. Ngithi mina nginedloti lami ugetegede.
Oh, ugetegede idluzi lakho.
Ugetegede idloti lami.
Okay.
Ugetegede umlungu omnyama isumane limnyama. Elami ngidloti lo
so profita ngala?
Mina. Ngiyaprofita ngiyabhula.
Uyabhula.
Mina ngiyabhula.
Okay, ubhula no profita akusindo eyi1.
Mina ngikutshela ukuthi info yenteke ngasiphi isikhathi. Into wawubani?
Ayisporofita.
Ngakuthini?
Ayisporofita.
Shaya inkomo yami phela ngibhuli mahala ukho yami mahala. Ihloti ngeli sithola amadima so lisiphakamisa amafuta bese sihlola mahala shaya inkomo yami phasi nginyathele ngithi 1 2 inkomo yami ngihlola 300 ukuhlola. Ukuthi ngichiphe kanjani?
Anginayi 300 ngibroke.
Hayi. Elingeke likulethe ubroke.
Anginayi 300.
Belingeke likulethe.
Okay, so wenzani lakhona ukukutshela yonke into ukuthi lo muntu lo kusukela ngasiphi isikhathi ngamuphi unyaka kwenzakala 1 2 3 yonke ihistory yakhe?
Yes, because mine 70% wami i-ritualist. 30% spiritualist.
Okay, so when you say ritualist then it means everyone who's out dealing abantu abagulayo abaphethe amafufunyana and whatever. So your specialist is just people abafuna into yokuphila.
No, nabo ngiyabasida, ngiyabalapha futhi kahle kabi. Ngiyabalapha but mina inature yami because kumele uzathi na ukuthi ubani. Yabona? Even njengomuntu athi mina ngiphethwe idloti. Mina lathi idloti likuphethe.
Yeah.
Because bangaba yi50 abantu abashona ekhaya kabo malume but kukhona lo wakungena. Not that person umadi. Umentele lamasiko la right kumele umentele wona so that naye atokulethela whatsoever lo sekumele uthole ngaleso sikhathi. Mina ngisolo ngisho ngithi mina ugetegede umlungu omnyama lokimi. Mina mangiphahla ngimemento ugetegede umlungu omnyama.
Yes.
Mangicela something ngimemento ugetegede umlungu lomnyama.
Yeah.
Unfortunately ipower yasemantini ngayiphiwa kancane. Angisi umuntu wamanti kakhulisa I go there but ipower mina it's not vested kakhulu emantini.
Emantini, yeah.
Mina ngumuntu womgede.
Yeah.
Ngumuntu wentaba. That's where I belong.
All right, so we spoke about your specialization ukuthi wena specializer ngokunikeza abantu into yokuphila ne and then you mention imoya yasemkhathini le ezulazulayo ne and then the next one you said it's imoya the foreign spirit.
Yes.
And then the other one you said is what konje?
masikhuluma ngeKhamandela.
Yes, iKhamandela.
But angi-emphasize ukuthi umuntu athathe iKhamandela.
Okay, iKhamandela yina asithome from the beginning sikwazi we understand yonke.
Ake sithi sesiyaluvusa iKhamandela siyakunika lona. Bese kunika icontract ya 15 years.
Ikwi contract ne?
Yes, iKhamandela it's contractual.
Yeah.
Bikuniketa isikhathi sekuphila nalenfo lesuke uyiphethe ngaleso sikhathi. Kunama candles, ama altare wakhona, ama lati iKhamandela. Kunama bhayi wakhona ekumele uwambathe. Kunamasiko wakhona ekumele uwafollow. Failure to that there will be consequences.
Normally what kind of consequences?
Asithi for instance uhlulekile ukufollowa iKhamandela. Kunabantu abafika babe rich empilweni. Phathi imali umuntu abe rich abe sikhothana. Uthi ambhekawe phansi.
Like as if nothing happened.
Yes. Omunye akula athi la vuka khona kuphele everything aphinda acale phasa avu. Uqabanga ngasuye kwentakala ini lapho.
Ish.
Because iKhamandela likuniketa a certain period of time. Kunemhlabelo yakhona ekumele uhambe uyoyenda. And you cannot separate iKhamandela from a grave.
So I process yakhona ufanele nemathuneni.
You cannot separate iKhamandela from a grave.
From a grave. Okay.
Angeke. iKhamandela in order for lona ukuthi lihleti li right. Understand ukuthi maybe kunama altares emeli washaya emathuneni. Uyacabanga.
So
silele thina wena ngabo 12 ebusuku misa amalade emathuneni uncunu.
12 ebusuku.
Yes. Wena ubhizi nama rituals.
So wenzani emathuneni uyaphahla
umkhathi. Yes uyaphahla nedi phela wena uphahla edlotini mangapha umsebenzi iKhamandela. Usukuphahla kuyona le yamoya le. You have nothing to do with idloti. Yile suke irresponsible for everything esuke into ekhaya ngaleso sikhathi. That's why mawufa or uhamba kamhlaba yonke into ehamba kanye nawe. It's unfortunate because abantu bebefihlelwa ukuthi bekuyinfo ekanjani or beyisebenta kanjani.
So ma uyenza like ibusuku lapha emathuneni ngo12 wenza yonke lento wenzani uyagubha until uzifike ebhokisini ukhiphe lamathambo or it's just nje about connecting with the spirit lapha emathuneni or inhlabathi.
Awugubhi uyaconnecta nje with the spirits. The more into lawa ama altar angithi ngishilo ngathi limoya yazula they have no place. Iyahamba nje lamkhathini then masu uyithathile bese uyayicontrol. Uma su busy lapha ya connecta nama spirits kuba easy then bona bese benta lokho sokufuna ngaleso sikhathi. Lenta kanjalo.
Akuthusi mara. Should wena uzibonile ne?
Like I said mina 70% yami a ritualist.
How long you've been doing this?
Sure, it's been long. Because khona linikhehle kathungungunyana. So leli khehla leli yile la ngibonisa a lot of directions uma bethu ukugasa ungungunyana. Even before get enter lokuningi but there was another mkhulu ababethi ungungunyana. That one. Unfortunately ashona kutsala but nje uye umuntu lo wanginiketa guideline before even get it.
Yeah. So may isikhathi sokuthi angisho but I can see ukuthi you are still young like now it's a long time. Is it 10 years or 20 years or
10 years plus?
10 years plus. So if you did it like 10 years, being like as a young person, were you interested into before you can focus into nizobungoma?
Bekona, futhi bekukuningi.
But it didn't work.
Yeah, it didn't work. Kodwa kona nje bekukhona, futhi bekuningi bekumele ngifocus kuko. And the nine thing engidokutshela yona.
Yeah.
When it comes to le journey le info lebalekile ukuthi wena uphathiswe ukuthi wenta ini or uphathiswe ukuthi usebenze ngani. Mina ngingabantu engiphile nabo for more than 6-7 years. But they never even saw me ngisesigodlweni. Mina bengingahlala nawe in my place ngiphume ngiyosebenza kwami ngaphandle entombeni. Yes, ngihlale nawe so. Ngingene emotweni ngiphume ngihambe. Ngiyosebenza mina. Ngibuye nani ngibuye kunyasa sengiphethe imali. Because there are some other things engamele ukuthi uzente nabanye abantu or wena ube khona la uzentela khona. Mina ngiprefer kakhulu indumba away from home. La khona ukubeka yonke imimoya emibi nemihle. Phela imimoya ayifani, kunemoya khona ukungena emsamo esigodlweni. Kunemoya kumele uyakhila indle engangena.
Ngena wena kuphela lapha.
Kungena wena kuphela or kungena umuntu osukuba misine na or umuntu osebenza naye.
So what if we are sure ke who will take over? No one.
Phela yabona angeke angabikho umuntu ongamsherela imfihlo yakho or understand ukuthi mina mangishona ngimele ucala uthatha imbudi ungigeze ungicolisele kulabalele before uthi yangcwaba.
So that thing is there on your wheel.
Yeah, it's there on my will. Angeke ngiphathe imoya lemimbi usebente ngetinye izinto letibi namanye ama spirits ngikuhlebele and then mase expect ukuthi uyothatha ufake emgodini ubona bebuya nje bekhala it's because abagezwanga. Bona abanele bashone nje balokhu balanda abantu ekhaya bebhizi bephupha bengcwatshwa. It's simply because abagezwanga le yamoya ababehamba bebhizi ngayo emhlabeni. Yabona, so it's a must ukuthi umuntu makashona efesebenta ngama spirits, yabona, lama spirits akhona ukuthi ahlanjululwe futhi kuyena makahamba idloti likhona ukuthi lifike limamukele.
And I was about to ask you that ukuthi vele if usebenzisa leyo mimoya later on masoshonile ngeke ize i-catch up nawe na ukuthi now you walidluze libi into your family because of uphethe imimoya a mix.
Yabona mina before ngingcwatshwa ngiyogeza nje ngimbuti ngicolisele kwabaphasi before ngiyongena emgodini. Or mangigula kakhulu ngibona ukuthi ayingathi indlela siyahamba nyalo because ngeke phela ungabona nje yabona nyalo sekuyaphetha bathi nyonyalo ngicela ningihlambulule bese ngiyahamba because ukuhamba kwami ngingagezile where else ngisebenta ngemimoya angisakhulumeli mina ngedwa khulumela abantu abasebenta like ngemimoya yabona abantu abagacile kahle kahle abantu abaphakamisile. It's a must ukuthi ugeze. It's a must angeke uvele uthathe ufake emgodini ungagezwa. It's a must ukuthi ugeze. For instance uyahamba uyogaca mangikhuluma ngogaca ngikhuluma ngabantu abafaka ama-judge for instance uyahamba uyofaka ama-judge but uma usushonile awusagezwa futhi leyo info iyohamba bese iyabuya uthola ukuthi usuyafuna ukungena kumuntu ekhaya umuntu alokhu aphupha maybe agcoka amajazi amnyama because they specialize ngamajazi amnyama kakhulu kama-judge uthi umuntu uyaphupha lokhu agcoka amajazi amnyama aseyintabeni kanti kumele ngabe uyolanda lo yamoya wakho ongakutholanga ukuthula edlotini ngoba ugezwanga owona lo ofuna ukuthi usebente kuye umnikedele yamfihlo leya ukuthi mangaphani abantu befike esigodleni akhona ukujudge indaba. Because phela ama-judge umsebenzi wawo ukujudge indaba ne-defense. Uma ejudge indaba ijudge kanjani njani ayakutshela ukuthi lo muntu lo ungena la sigodlweni unenkinga i1 na2 na3 isolution inje nanje umsebenzi wawo ukujudge isimo ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi usukubhekene nami akuniketa isolution ne-main cause of the problem.
You know, I like you mentioned that in a ukuthi na ama-judge asebenza kanjani but ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ama-judge nama-slamus umehluko kuphi because of it's actually idluze lokuthi uvele uphiwe lona. It sounds as if like it's something ukuthi uyakhamba uyithatha somewhere uyilethe la ikwazi ukuprofitela yabona or ikwazi ukubhulela like you said.
Okay, kunabantu abadalwa bephathisiwe amandla kunabantu abathwalela amandla. Ukhona umuntu wadalwa evele eyimbethe into yama-judge kuye. Uthola ukuthi babakhe wayehambile wayelanza lento le.
Okay,
wamthola lo mntwana makamthola lo mntwana lo utophuma enayo lento vele for sure kuwe. But isuke sekumele iyokhuphula or iphakamise lo muntu uyophupha lenifilo kimtshela thina sama judge maybe judge lezulu thina si judge lezulu thina sifuna usiko lusona so ase uhambe uyothenga ujazi omnyama onesiphambano esibomvu for instance ase uhambe uyothenga ujazi omnyama onengwe ebrown ema shoulders for instance because info ubaba khayiphila nayo wathi makamthola lo mntwana waphuma nayo lento le kubabakhe yabona because ama judge ahlukene.
Ahlukana kanjani?
Khona ijudge lezulu. Yes. Khona ijudge lamandla.
Okay.
Khona ijudge lentaba.
Ijudge la lecina lentaba is like a mountain.
Lapho sikhuluma ngemgede.
Okay, asithome ngale lentaba lenzani?
Masikhuluma ngejudge lentaba. Angithi masitawula sifana. Niphiwe sithi ayifana.
Okay.
Kunabantu abaphiwe ipower yasemantini. Kunabantu abaphiwe impower yasezintabeni nasemgidini. Kunabantu abaphiwe amandla okuthandaza nokukhuleka yabona. Labo bantu labo bona kahle baba ama spiritualist bayakhuleka bayathandaza bayanxusa labo bantu labo. So angeke uthathe ijudge lentaba uyolifaka umuntu onenzuza yamandi for instance. Angeke.
Okay.
Umuntu onejudge lentaba kumele umthathe umfake ijudge lentaba. Umuntu onejudge lamandla kumele umfake ijudge lamandla yabona. Akufani.
Ijudge lentaba specialize ngani vele lona?
Ijudge lentaba if uyinyanga ungalisebenzisa ijudge lentaba. If uyigedla ungalisebenzisa ijudge lentaba because phela ama judge nawo ayahlanjulula. Uthathe umuntu onepower yejudge lamandla umfake ijudge lentaba. Thola ukuthi umuntu beka clean. yabona abhula but aclean ahamba olanza ijudge lentaba maybe kanti kumele afake ijudge lamandla uthi umuntu acala ngcola afake iskipa simhlophe sijike sibengathi siba brown angasakhona ukuprofeta umuntu emsamo enganathanga jwala ose adopte leya culture leya nto leya because maybe leya culture yena bengamela akhuphuke ngayo yabona ufika mina ngidaka ifile emsamo ile nfiya ilandzile seyakhuluma kuwe yabona each and every time umuntu mamela hamba ucecela indaba abantu athi mina ngisafeel kahle mangashayanga no Miss Minoff yabona simply because bekumele lo muntu loyo uthi mawilayila indaba yakhe bese abantu oh loya ufuna ijudge lamandla loya ufuna ijudge lentaba loya ufuna ijudge lezulu uyabona because I find or vele usayisumniketa inkosi yama judge because you can combine all these three bese uyayihlambulula ithwele ownership umuntu kumele abe yi-owner kudo awabuse lama judge asihlambulukile khona ukuthobela awahole kumuntu we1 ngesikhathi esiyi1
ijudge lezulu lana ke umsebenzi waleni ukuthumela umuntu ngezulu
no
yeah
ukuve ngale nyoni le ekuthiwa ingududu
injani
iblack bese ba nomcalo obomvu nayo impaphe la mangaphane uthathe usibalayo theoretically
okay
because I've never proven it but theoretically ngendlela ekuchazwa ngakhona uma uyithathile wafaka usibalayo emantini kuduma izulu uthi liphume lelo siba phakathi emantini
oh okay
have you ever heard ngaleyo nyoni le
I haven't
uthi mawuthatha umntwana nayo le esigangeni ikhona ukulandzela iyofika igidini la ungene khona nayo lo mntwana lo yashaya iyalwa
okay iyafly le nyoni
yeah but not a long distance ya walker fly
oh akusi ostrich
no not ostrich ingududu black yeah yashaya icinile nje inyoni ethi mangaphana ichamukile kube nemvula mayifele emantini kunethe ethile umtimba wayephuma emantini mangene ephaphe lawo phakathi emantini kumele liphume lo phaphe phakathi if aliphumile it will always continue raining
I know ngiyazi ke leyo
so uma sikhuluma ngejudge lezulu sifike silikhanze ngemithi yakhona eyakhiwayo even up likhanve ngemithi yakhona eyakhiwako and then ubese uthola that bed khona usiko lentiwayo with that bed ekuba yiyo leya bed leya ekhona ukukhondema lawo ma spirits awibulala khona ukwentawo kina bese ayidedele ehamba
angeke ngilume ngeke
angithi yimo kwentawo
okay
wena ufika sekuredi vele uthatha la nyoni bekhona ukwentako kuye bese ayidedele ehamba uyirelease yabona
akusi all is cough
no not all not is cough
okay
when you get time Google about it you know
check
yeah it's very very powerful iyo ekhondema ngakhulu ijudge lezulu judge lezulu labantu abaclean
njengami nje
yeah judge lezulu nje labantu abaclean bathathu bafake leyo nto so that ingeke ikhona ukuthi ifike iyone because umuntu angaphahla bika athi ngisayolanza into yokubhula or athi ngisawuphakamisa amandla thola ukuthi idloda lamkini yabona or uthi uyamfaka leya kanti yiyo eyofika ivale kube emnyama kakhulu so it's very very important ukuthi ubone ukuthi umuntu uphiwe maphi amandla before uthi umfaka ama judge yabona because i judge ne judge line industry yakhona
yeah
yabona angeke uthi ubulala ungenanzabana next ubese uthi hayi mina vele mangathatha ijudge lezulu why ngoba phela noma ngavele uthathe yona le lasemgideni judge lentaba ngoba likufanele vele because vele labantu it's either aba clean noma abangekho clean umsebenzi walo lona ukuthi ijudge indzaba nje alikhona ukuaffecta because laba abanye banesithunywa and isithunywa simfuna umuntu ongcolile yabona sihlela ukufuna siclean kakhulu yabona bayathandaza abanengilosi so laba bantu labo it's a must ukuthi bathole into eclean ijudge lezulu
I think now singe understand indaba leyo isho ukuthi wonke lama judge the aim is to ukuthi a judge umuntu amnikeze ne solution
yes.
And at the same time ayadifara like you are saying ukuthi ne judge lezulu ne judge lentaba and just fanele relate naloyo umuntu ne
yes
oh okay
nendlela ukuyivusa they've got names
oh they've got names
yeah let's say for instance phela ngeke usuhleli nomuntu la awu judge lamandla in yabo
yeah
sometimes kufila awkward and weird so they've got names uma uhamba uyofaka inkosi yama judge for instance kumele uyilinke negama lakho ledloti yes or a name that you will never forget all 70 regular mawusemsamo
yeah
yabona for instance iksilegedegede kusilumlu ngomnyama awu ndoda endala sekusile uyabona for instance isigcumile vele into engathi because igama layo ubani iugedege now so that if like for instance umafele entabeni utothi mafele entabeni khehlela thola ukuthi sewubida yona lento uyiniketela igama lethi mafele entabeni nayo wayilinka nedloti lakho wayiphera ngenyongo because info leshaya abantu namajaji awafaka ngendlela lefanayo kunamajaji afaka ngenyongo kunamajaji afakwa ngingadi awafani nawo
lafa ngingadona
amajaji afakwa ngingadi you don't care either usebenza ngedloti or awusebenzi ngedloti yabona uyalithatha nje ijaji ulifake ngingadi likusebentele yabona ukuthi idloti liyaphakama or linesikhweli bantu abaningi abenta kanjalo suke bengenanzaba vele yabona for instance asithi uthwasile wathi uma uyothwasa kafika athiwa uthwasanga zona but nenhlahla ukuthi abantu bangene emsamo but mabefikile emsamo awuboni lutho ngisho umuthi lo awutholi yonke info ayentingi yabona bese uthi no mina ngisawalandela jaji lela into khona silisebenzisane nami ukuthi lesimo engibhekene naso sidlule kuso yabona isimo le kanjalo diyavela kulomsebenzi lo
but vale kingizomunya yathi basho ama-judge sometimes utholisa ukuthi enzelela ukuthi abantu bezwe kuwe right but you find out ukuthi they are not even helping you know they can tell indaba ukuthi kwenzakalani but instead of finding a solution there is no solution. Is that true?
That's not true. Ama-judge mawafaka umuntu uyawatshela umsebenzi wawo uyawakhomanda awacela uyawatshela nginani kulomtimba nahambe nyokhuluma tini zabantu khipha amagama netibongo nilethi khambe mangaphana hlola abantu baphile that's what you do ijudge lalalela umsebenzi walo wena mangaphana ulifaka ukuthi live land for a show for instance ulifaka ilinyongo echudele impangela lihlangana nedloti lapho idloti lakho maybe for instance belishoda ngayo lento ukuthi likhona ukukhuphuka once wayifaka bese lakhona ukuthi likhiphe indaba likhiphe indaba the way wena ubufuna ngakhona liyahlanganisa inyongo ihlanganise idloti eliphethe or isithunywa esikwembethe ngaleso sikhathi leso sihlanganise nalomoya osukuyulanza ngaphandle uhlambulule kodwa kucala because imoya engahlambulukile iproblem uyonela ushaya ijwala ngisho ngathiwa udikhiphile nebangani bakho sokubona sewuprofit abantu kanti simply because lento ayihlambulukanga ngendlela
hey basiphuzisa kabuhlungu yazi lapha omunye uthi yasachilile tavern lapha azokutshela ukuthi hey bakwenza 1 2 3 4 5 vele why abenza njalo abafuni attention vele
uma ngaphani uyofaka ama-judge it's khona ama-judge afaka nge-Coca-Cola Coke afika lo muntu uyawumixa uyamcaba umuntu bese umkhuphula ngecoke mangahlela umnathise icoke ushama code wakhona like 2473 mathota mina mangabonwa ngamehlo kusile spoko
okay
so manganathi coke yena ufila more connected nalo bese kube khona laba abalifaka maybe ngeSmirnoff or ngogoloko labo ke into natha nabo kusa happy bese ithi lento mina ngafakwa nalo usiko lami bese yapronga ikhuluma indzaba in public ingafuni nokufika enje bakutshela tona ke futhi lokumnanzi kodwa iproblem basuke bekutshela in the wrong place but bakutshela tona
hey imagine bazongitshela ukuthi uphosha uthethi underwear yami ngiloye ngayo nkosi yami
yabona batshela tona but isuke ifuna usiko lokuthi ihlanjululwe uma isenjalo ikhona ukuthi uyicontrol wena ingacontrol wena yona.
Then how do you do that? There's a process.
Yeah, there's a process yokuthi ama-judge uyakhona ukwacontrola uyakhona ukwahlambulula because if awahlambululanga asithi for instance uthema yolivusa ijudge umnika twalo maybe bekumuntu ongakuthanda ukugeza nawe phela sitobona songasawafuna manje sokugcwa isikhindi esiyi1 gcwama ngapha la ungasafuna utshintsha impahla simply because uadopte lo yamoya loya yabona uthi yambona lo munye usengathi nje khanza akaphilanga but right unemali na everything ulo yamoya akumele uhlanjululwe akhona ukuthi awuphathe yena kahle ngendlela le right ungadibusa umoya ngapheyo kwakhe.
Sesinenyanga eziningi as these days mangathi uyacheck around even ama celebrity banenge abathosile. Do you think now abaphethe ama-judge?
No, angisho kanjalo.
Okay.
Ukuthwasa kuyisiphiwo. Imimoya isithwalo.
Oh,
into ohamba uyoyimbatha.
Yeah.
Because usukufuna assist like assistant khona. Ekuthwaseni ayingeni.
Yeah.
Yabona yona uyilanza aside simply ngoba usukufuna ukuphakamisa lesi simo sokubhekini naso. Ekuthwaseni ngifuna ukucomenta kakhulu mabathwasile shothi bekumele baye kothwasa yabona but mayothwasa the most important thing ukuthi understand ukuthi uthwasela abantu. Mayothwasa understand ukuthi uthwasela abantu. Angeke uthi ngithwasele idloti lasekhaya koma. Okay ekhaya kaboma ke ubani lokumbathini umnikati omsebenzi because phela kuchamuka umnikati omsebenzi bese la abanye bayamphelezela but umnikati omsebenzi usuke yi1 labanye sobe bempheletela ukuthi afike kahle ku akunikete isiphiwo sifuna ukuniketa sona phela umsamo unomnikati angeke uthi umsamo wasekhaya koma ke ekhaya koma ke kunalo yamuntu specific ekuyo wakumbatha angeke umbathe abantu abayi10 it's impossible la abanye asuke bepheletele lo oyi1 usuke kunika idalisa siphiwe for instance kwahamba ugogo ekhaya lo gogo lo yokuniketa isikhwama uyabona laba abanye abasuke bekhona ngathi isikhathi ubaphahlela suke bepheletele lo yagogo lo ya okuyo usike kuniketa emandla not ukuthi idlode lonke anisuke kuniketa inhlahla no lethu abantu abaningi bephikisana nowadays kuthiwa asibi khona isangoma ezithiwe ekhaya ayisithi ke lo umbethu idlode lasekhaya ubabakhe wena umbethu idlode lasekhaya umalume wakho idlode elingafani then kwinto kanjani mase kunjani
Imbarana isnacks ne?
Yes, isnacks but isuke siphethe isiphiwe singafani.
Akusilidluze lodwa ne.
No.
Mara kuyakhona ukuthi mhlambe kube lidluzi le khawo timer liphathe mina maybe with my 2 or 4 sisters.
Angeke niphathe umuntu oyi1.
Mara kube idluzi lasekhaya.
Ngaba idluzi lasekhaya kabobabe but wena ungene nomunye umuntu, nomunye angene nomunye umuntu, nomunye angene nomunye umuntu. Angeke ningene nomuntu oyi1.
Yeah.
Angeke. Angeke umuntu fulo oyi1 angene banifula abathathu. Then utolalela bani, utolalelwa ubani, acontroliwe ubani. Ubani otomentela ama rituals wakhe lo soka wafuna yena ngendlela ekufanele. It's impossible. Umuntu nomuntu ufuna idlodi lakhe. Yabona. Kuba khona umuntu o specific okuyo soke kuphethe ngaleso sikhathi. Hayi ukuthi lonke idlodi. Akukhona.
All right, let's move like le yokugcina ne. Imoya, the foreign spirit. What are foreign spirit?
Ama foreign spirits imimoya ekusuke kungasiyo imimoya yakho noma imoya yakini but oyilandayo wena ukuthi ilekelele lapha ekhaya.
Yes.
Njengayo nje lemoya besibala. Kunento ke ekuthiwa ijalumani.
Jalumani. Ngiyathoma ukuyizwa le jalumani, it's not even familiar.
Oh la la.
Yeah. What is it?
Kule industry kufike kube amabutho.
Okay.
Kube izizwe. Kube ama judge ngokuhlukana kwawo.
Okay.
Bese kuba khona inkosi yama judge.
Okay.
Kube khona amajalumane, kube khona amahilimane okurumane, it depends ukuthi ubita kanjani.
Okay.
Those are mostly based eBenin. Lawo. Yabona. Sesikhuluma ngama spirit ama priest.
Awuyaba mnandi indaba.
That's why mangapha kule industry nokubuye ube ku right. Do you research properly? Makumele utravel uhambe uyofunda about something, go there, study about it. Into mawunayo or review, study about it so that you won't get lost. Ayifani. Amajalumane yilawo isithi amadoda amnyama angabana ngamehlo ogangana nkunzana osipoko somshangana. Yabona. Lapho sikhuluma ngenfo edonsayo, sikhuluma ngento ebhulayo. Yakhona ukuyifaka kwigona, uyitshela ukuthi ufuna ini. Yakhona ukuyifaka engadini yakho, uyitshela ukuthi ufuna ini. Mostly ke leto dinfo leto dilinkwa nedloti letipoko. Ilinkwa nedloti letipoko. Same thing nekurumane nohirimane. Ilinkwa nedloti letipoko. Uyathanza, awuthanzi, uyafuna or awufuni imi kanjalo nje. Uma ngaphani wangenwa umkhulu wakho, uyahamba uyethuneni lakho umkhulu wakho ufike umcele, umncenga, umnxuse, bese ayavuka kumfake wherever la umfaka khona lo muntu awusamphahleli imsami ekhaya. Usumfaka la umfaka khona lalela wena kuphela, uva wena kuphela ukudeliver le message sokuyifuna ngaleso sikhathi.
What about laba abanye ke nabafuna ukuyophahla?
Laba bafuna ukuyophahla bayophahla but yena uyobe ngekho emsamo.
Uzaba la kuwe ebhodlelweni.
Yes.
So kwenzani ngayo yamcontrol ukuthi hamba ngilandela imali Standard Bank?
Abantu labenta leyo mimoya leyo. Thola ukuthi for instance ekhaya sewaphela umndeni. Sibongo sasekhaya bese ngasatena ukuthi zaba kabani into example yabona. Then bese uyahamba uyothatha leyo bumati. Kube uyokuniketa i-guideline because masikhuluma ngenifole kanjalo sesikhuluma ngomuntu okhona ukucommunicate naye.
Yes.
Nivane mangaphane nicoca naye. Uyabona? Abantu abaningi bayenta for that sake leyo nto. But yabaphilisa, yabasebentela indi kuyayeka phambili.
Is it advisable ukuthi umuntu angasebenzisa leyo?
Isipoko.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's advisable.
Asithusi ukuthi uthe awusiboni ngamehlo enyama ne?
No. Mine or umuntu manganaso isipoko sakhe. Phela isipoko angithi uyakhona ukufeel ipresence, ukhona ukufeel ivoice. But sometimes wena as an owner, nomunye umuntu ongeke umkhombisa isipoko, but wena as an owner uyakhona ukufeel ukuthi unangi lo muntu ngathi uhlidi la edvutane kwakho. Yes, because isipoko siya defender, siya attacker, siya kwentela a lot of things.
Singangiprotecta ukuthi bangidubule.
Angike ngigarantele ukuthi khona umuntu oprotective ukuthi angadubuli, ngigarantela ngokuthi khona info engento abantu balutheke ukuthi bangakudubuli, hayi ukuthi bavele ibame nje kuthi isipoko sangadubuli. That's not true. Abantu bangalutheka ukuthi bangadubuli, but ngeke uthathe inhlamvu uyikhumbela ukuthi cha sikhali noma ngamana shaya eceleni
Okay.
But hayi ukuthi ngivele ngithi une-bulletproof yenjalo. Oh la la.
Okay, so masifika do you uyasibona or ufeel at the present nje kuphela?
Let's say for instance usentabeni khona iproblem obhekene nakho. Uyasinxusa uyasicela ukukhuluma nakho. Utofeel ukuthi sekukhona into efika ku nawo, uve emtimbeni wakho ukuthi kukhona into efika ku nawo. And the onakho lokho ngikhuluma ngakho angangifakatela. Kuba nevoice ekhuluma down. And the abanye baqinisa etindlebeni tawo bayivinzayo. Uthola ukuthi asisakhoni ukukhuluma maybe kahle if makukhona amanye ama problems maybe wathi mase ukwentile kwenani kwenta kakhona umuntu maybe ufuna ukuganga or in bese kuba nama challenges nalapho. But nje tona tiyakhuluma tiyavakala futhi ngeke ngilokhu ngicambela manga tiyasebenza futhi.
Umsebenzi wazi
umsebenzi wetipoko khona isipoko sokulwa khona isipoko sokudosa khona isipoko sokubhula.
Okay, sokulwa
Isipoko sokulwa uyasithatha it's either usifaka ekhaya or usibethela kuwe. Leso sipoko leso suke sidila nokuthi sikudefend etinfeni letimbi etenteka kuwe or mabaku-attack or makukhona moya lekuhlaselako sikulwele leso sipoko leso. Isipoko esilandzaka isipoko sokudosa uyahamba uyosivusa 21 days usibekile la usibeke khona ngeke ngisho ukuthi kuphi uhambe uyosilanza ngetinfo takhona leso sipoko bese sekulandzela lento usuke uyicilile ngaleso sikhathi because indlela yokuplanta nendlela yokuvusa ayifani nendlela yokukhanza mawakha something angeke ukhanze isipoko sokubhula sifane nesipoko sokudosa it's impossible kunetinfo takhona etifakwa phakathi kunama special ingredients wakhona la ngenako phakathi ensure ukuthi since umuntu sikhona ukukhuluma so siphinde siuprove futhi practically umuntu muhle phela siyayicoca siphinde siyiprove futhi practical.
I-science right then.
Exactly. That's why essential ukuthi ubuthathe nencwadi uyisebenzise at some time. Ukuthi okay yabona nyalo ngiyayifunza le info because ngiyayenta ake ngiresearch nangayo so that ngito understand better. When it comes to le ijeni ifuna umuntu open minded okhona ukuba i-researcher because knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. Yabona once one knowledge enough information ipower leyo because utofike uyifunze. Yabona bakufundise maybe liyonyanga lithide lekufundisako or leso sipoko wasivusa esasilapha esikutshela yonke info ukuthi yentiwa kanjani yabona bese uyayiprove wena practically kubantu because phela kumele ukhulume ngenfo bese ungayiprove kumuntu.
What are the consequences of taking isipoko?
Ama consequences of taking isipoko kuya depend ukuthi isipoko sasekhaya noma isipoko sangaphandle.
Okay.
And now for instance ngiyolanda isipoko ngisathi ukuthi sakabani angimade washona kanjani number 1 ngithi ngiyamhlambulula mhlambe ngihluleke ukumhlambulula ngithi ngibuya nenfo ngiyifaka ekhaya kube kuphenduka imoto kuvuka ingoti ekhaya kuhamba umuntu uthola ukuthi lo muntu bamthatha bamngqwaba nje abantu bakhona abamhlambululanga abamgezanga abaculisanga mina ngithi ngiyamthatha ngimhlambulule nje ngendlela le ejwayelekile kanti bengilanza inkinga ngiyifaka kimi. That's why it's essential ukuthi mawenta info hlola.
Is there any point maybe you can miss it mawuhlola nje kuyenzeka sometimes miss something in between?
I mean angeke ngikethe
Sithembile ne?
Angithembanga even umuntu lo ngatiko mina you can ask.
Yeah.
Mina uNkulunkulu wangibusisa when it comes to umoya angeke ngikethe.
Yeah.
Angeke ngikethe mina. Angasho ngithi bangibusisa no khethe phinde wangibusisa extra. Mina yami inuno ngeke ikethe never.
No.
I will never.
Okay. Yes bengifuna ukuthi ke sicale nasindo yokuthi mawuthatha lento ne. Yeah, miskhathini esiningi sifuna angisho as like amkhulumela amajita ne.
Okay.
It's like amajita like we want to impress stock webona like women obviously, you know. So in most cases kuthiwa net nawuthatha lento kuba nemithetho eminingi manje ukuthi kufanele uzile ungasa exchange amantombazane and all of that. So ngifuna ukwazi wena ukuthi ngolwazi lakho and since you have more than a decade experience, what is your take on that?
Like isithi kinfollow ithathile vele isanza amamfomatana uduthi. Because phela tikona timfiti thathwa ithanza abafati. Bachintshanisa nje abafati the more you sleep with them the more money you have. So uma kuthiwa maybe ayabafuna abafati mina nginokuphika lapho sometimes kuya depend ukuthi wena uvuselwe ini because tikona timfiti thathanza abafati ukuthi the more women you have wena nje uba nemali lama ulala nabaphi imali wena uba nemali but leyo nto kakhulu that's why ku dangerous ubona umfana wemfumatana because iyakhona leyo nto ukuthi ithwebule inhlahla yemfumatana thola umuntu after lapho useloka busy uphuma isisu kakhulu kubambe bantwana empilweni ustakile nje umile and only to find ukuthi list ya spirit salwa umuntu ayelala naye asiphumanga kuye ayibona inzaba sona nje so inhlahla yakhe igcina selokhu ihamba kuye yabona so nalokhana kuyi advice because nabantwana bamfumatana indaba ekho careful bayatsanza tinfo mostly abantwana bamfumatana nama I have a daughter abantwana bamfumatana nje they love things yabona so it's advisable sibajela yabona angeke umuntu amana kwentele tinfo nje lula lo muntu uhlete esendlini but uphatha imali etiningi wena nje ulokhu busy uyashawa unikete imali ngena ama consequences unama mawuthatha leni for khona lobungoti khona ngena mngoti khona ethanza abafati kuya depend ukuthi ivuswe ngami noma idla ini leyo nto leyo
noma lidla ini
kuya depend like asithi for instance into elinkweni edlodi uyahamba uyothenga imbuti lapha ufaka inyongo phakathi uyayichelwa uyareportela iyadla kube khona evuswa ngimvu yabona uyahamba uyivusa ngimvu wena uyihlabela imvu if uyithathe ngoJanuary every January uyahlaba wena every January uyahlaba wena yabona kube khona etingahlatshelwa ke imvu etihlatshelwa inyongo yenyathi
konje inyathi yini
inyathi mawuthatha 5 rand yakho you will see inyathi I think it's a buffalo
okay
uthola inyongo yebuffalo leyo ke ispecialize kakhulu ngokuletha umcebo ekhaya but if at the same time kunomphefumulo osuke umhlatshele ekhaya like for instance umuntu oyohamba duke angaphinda athola
sure
bese wena uyacela khuluma ngenfule intakalako and especially society intakalako into njalo thothi umuntu wanyamalala ekhaya waduka but abantu balakhaya sibe rich man lo muntu ufuna umnotho uthi amona umuntu usetshale ngesihlahla somyezane eJardin kanti sidla abafati sidla abantwana alokho aphila yena yi1 lokhu tsheni sambafati nje athola abantwana balokho bayahamba
lo duka kuya kuphike umthola yilaba basiphathola estradeni la eJoburg
thola uthi umunye ngingaphinza athola
angeke aphinze zen
thola uthi umunye ngingaphinza athole ngisho ukutholakala umuntu aduka ekhaya angadiwa nokuthi washona kuphi kanti maybe leyani fuleya eyamthatha umuntu umhlabelo or umuntu sacrifice because kunetinfo tabantu abagreedy kunetinto abantu abaright if ogreedy uthatha into according to umoya wakho yathi nomuntu ongathi hey mina ngamani ngithwale ngisho ngolaba bami uyacabanga simply because of situation yabona that's why ngithi ku depend kwi greediness yomuntu nokuthi yena umuntu uwilling ukusacrifice ngani khona ama sacrifices khona ungafuni ama sacrifices ukuthatha lento kunokuthatha lento nje okusimple okulula ekuphilekako ngako okumnandi nje futhi uphile normal life but ikhona lento ingahluphi futhi yabona because kukhona amandla okuphila mangikhuluma amandla okuphila ngikhuluma ngomuntu mina oaffordayo bese ke kuba khona namandla lawa abantu asithi ba wealth akufana ufuna amandla okuphila nje into yakho ayina ama terms and conditions the simplest thing but uma usufuna ukundlulela ngaleke wena usufuna ukuthi sikubuke inama consequences nama terms and conditions but into nento yomuntu i-based ekuthenini yena ufune ukuvumelana nesituation enjani if uyabona ukuthi abafati bayakuthanza udothatha into ifuna abafati angithi because you know it's easy to get them uma info yakhe ithi mina ngifuna inyongo yenkomo yadi ufuyile imali yange into khona ukuthenga inkomo utifake ekhaya uyabona but ube careful ingaqiniseki ifuna inyongo noma ingadi yomuntu because nalokhana kuleti info leti ama sacrifices wengadi i-possibility okulahlekelwa okukhulu ngokuncane
thina sifanele yini la fanele yini nakufanele yini
no umkhulu inkinga yakhe ulunge kakhulu lawo yena sengamane mathi imthatha nje simcalisa grade 1 uyabona sihambe somninga amajalumani simninge isigubhe esigeneral uyabona into benefits wena but engana ama terms and conditions ukuthi kumele usacrifice ngani
how was ngani ukuthi ulungile because umbone 2 minutes 2 seconds
yeah I know
how
yini busufuna ngiqhubeke
qhubeka wase kanjani nangiba surprise ukuthi ngathi niyazana
no I don't know him ngiyacala nokumbona yeah but full stop ngilosi iyakhona ukuthi isearch everything la usukhona ngaleso sikhathi
wasona itshela yonke into
hayi madfuthi itshela ngathi mina gedegeda kalali
so itshela yathini ngami so wazi yonke into naso bethe file yami
sema ngicela ngathi hayi shaya ingongo yamphasi wangibalekela
so itshela yonke into ngami
like yabona if uhledi nomuntu ucommunicate nani
yeah
it's very easy ukuthi communicate icheck yabona icheck nanokuthi uke wa try muphi umzamo ngo2023
Yeah.
lo mzamo wafailiswa yini ikutshele yabona
So yakhona na ukungitshela ukuthi next question izoba yini.
uyabona
Oh yakhona na ukungitshela ukuthi question yami landela izoba yini.
cha yabona umkhulu 2023 naye 1 2 3 yabona
Mara masenze part 2 I'll definitely make sure ukuthi sa profita.
no ngina problem singashaya ngisho live consultation I don't mind.
Yeah, we should do it.
I don't mind.
Yeah. Because now sekuba curious ukuthi angathi sowazi izinto ezi wrong.
I don't mind. Mina I don't mind.
Yeah.
Angifuni ukucambela manga.
Hey.
Because info lebalekile ensure ukuthi isiphiwo sakho namandla wakho wasihlalisa ngendlela right.
Mara mayitshela so like don't you get surprised sometimes ukuthi now a very talent like when you engage with a lot of people like it's kind of this name because I'm sure you can see through.
Yeah. Like ufuna ukwadi ushaye phansi ukuthi nje yabona.
Yeah.
Uthule oyihlebele oh eish Nkosi yamakhosi hayi kulungile uthule nje yabona.
We are not safe. Jebana
yabona ithi ubona hayi now siyaphapha maybe akumele ngabe place yokuthi uyena tofa ngathi nje yabona ngithulele futhi ngingasho next wena manje ngishaya ifiyo nje
sithi ibiza ke no say Jamisa
kanti sengiyade ukuthi ngifuna ukwenta ngaleso sikhathi sengifuna sihambe or siyanyathi for instance like uhledi nebantu kunokuhlangana ke inyanga maybe nyakhanza something
yeah
khanze something manje uyilanze nje
yeah
yabona kube ubanyakadisa ubeve ukuthi ngempela yena futhi bayakhanza bakhona yena ukuyikhanza uyabona ubeve nje ubeve babone bengahlaliseki ukuthi oh okay because umuntu uma uhledi nayo yakhona ukumbona so lo uphiwe lokho nalokho utry lokho nalokho kwahamba sona uyabona
Manje no vane like okay let's say maybe a family gathering or whatever you should like ukhona ubona indaba ezikhulu ne and like uyakwazi ukuthula mina ngikwazi ukuthula like ngikhathele ihashe sifube namazulu asho kanjalo like sure hayi yawona lo
sometimes unokutitshela ukuthi le akusiye yami when it involves a family phakathi so ngathi unesiphiwo singakanani obatshela abaphumele ngaphandle bawuthola isito ngaphandle ungavumi ukudibambela wena because at the end of the day uyogcina so accuse ngayithi into ungahlangene nato so if it involves a family batshele baye ngaphandle
should like let's say maybe you were before married ne should it like njengabusisi bangeke bakubambisa imbathi like in terms of abantwana engasiwo bakho you can tell ukuthi lo owami umntwana lo akusiwo wami without a DNA
even if wena ungakusho lokhana because in nowadays ke when it comes to South Africa baningi vela abafethu abambatha amabhanje
kakhulu
yeah and angifuni ukuya kakhulu ke lapho uyabona uthola ukuthi abantwana sebeyafika egodlweni umuntu usuyamhlola usuthi mana mntanami kuthiwa ke ngilanzo babakho kuthiwa ngifuna umuntu wakagumete for instance yabona kuthiwa hayi la ka mama ngikhulele khona nethiwa la ukhulele khona but kuthiwa ngihambe ngiyofuna ubaba wakho owabalekiselwa yena for instance yabona because abantu besifatane sometimes angathi yabona sometimes bayagcina sebethatha umntwana wakhe umunye umuzi bamshova komunye umuzi at the end of the day mase tingatapumele dinfo takhe kusola abathakathi kanti mele kuyosola ibackground
hale vele yakusi into ethoma no into yakudala vele nabogogo nabokhokho bebayenza yitho
that's why ke abogogo nabokhokho abaningi babelanza ama meeting before bashone it's because they were cruel babekhohlakele
yeah
uyaqabanga abanye bayahamba bashiya abantwana bithi abakhunyane babo uthola ukuthi umuntu wamithiswa umngane kamkhwenyane wakhula umntana ukhulela ngaphakathi ekhaya kathi wayifihle lento sizoyigeza siyihlambulule ningayigeza nihlambulule but umkhokha wona angingeni sinyawugeza nyahlambulule angiphathi mase kuthiwa sekashonile lo muntu washona leyo nto leyo eyibambe ngaphakathi isilonda kuye labo bantwana bayohlupheka ekhanda bheka kuyaphithitela abantu bayaphambana bonkana bathi mabenta amasiko kugula abantu kushona abantu kunokuthi kulunge kube worse simply because sikathatha umsamo wrong abantu bakhuphulelwa kulowo msamo lo yabona info lententakala ke siphila kwi environment etenteka kuyo of which it's dangerous
yeah
it's dangerous because lawo bantu fly future suke seyiphelile already phela ngeke sicamba manga kungakahanjwa kuyogujwa uthola kathi no lo mfana lokuthiwa sofuna babakho lakhe angeke leyo nto leyilunga ngisho ngamthatha umshonise le
but uyakhona ukubona umuntu ukuthi lo mntwana akho relax umntwana akho
mina
yeah can you tell but by just looking at these you consult
mina uNkulunkulu wangibusiza because most of the kids I have abe prophecy
yes okay kusho ukuthini
like yabona nje right now khona umbuso Mbuso, I knew about him 3 years back.
3 years back.
Yeah.
Before he was conceived.
Yes, yeah, kwathi makuchama kugedegede deliver message.
Kwathi uzoba nomntwana
It happened exactly the way ekakushiwo ngakhona.
Really?
Yeah. Kuya next time ngikuphathela yena.
So my ukuthi now you can see ukuthi in 10 years from now life yakhe izabe seyimi kanjani.
I can tell you ukuthi in 3 weeks from now what will happen.
Tell me.
And how.
Tell me, ngifuna ukwazi kuzokwenzakala.
In 3 weeks from now, 2 days to come, you will be contacted by someone. Athi kune message afuna ukuyindlulisa between you and your producer.
Okay.
Then from then, there is an amount of money you will get in the upcoming days, close to 5,500 or exactly 5,000.
Woo! Yay! Woo! Ayashisa madoda. Ayashuva. Yazi like yazi ngiloko ngiyaprovoke and I could see ukuthi ikhona into mala.
Yeah,
asingayideepa ne.
Yeah.
Eish. Singithuma nami ukuba la yabona. Yeah, asingayideepa.
Kulungile solo sexy.
Mara sizokwenza part 2.
Mgazati.
Sizokwenza part 2. Asakhavare yonke into besiyiplanile ne. Sesikhavare almost half and we still need to do more. Yabona? So sizocheck I program yakho ukuthi how busy are you and then sizokwenza part 2. I still feel ukuthi we haven't touched the surface. We still have to go deeper because I can tell you lwazi lakho luningi. You've mentioned iBenini and we haven't spoke ukuthi kwenzakalani eBenini. And ngiyabona these days izangoma eziningi, actually not izangoma amagedla, they pay a visit to Benin. Kwenzakalani vele eBenini it kancane nje.
And vele mostly abantu lokho bathola eBenini
amagedla. Why?
Because eBenini it dominates ama priest. And the ama priest are specialized ngokuraise ama spirits.
Yeah.
Understand ukuthi ispirits uma si installiwe kuwe singafakwa now ngo2026 siphile till uyoshona phansi komhlabathi. And isifakwa ama priest. It's unfortunate ngifakele igama ethi Butobo kunosiko lakho. Kunabantu abaningi bafika maybe balapha but bafaka amagama ethi amaSulumane, abanye bafaka igcoza amaSulumane, abanye like nje different attires but unga understand ukuthi angena kanjani. It's simply because there are spirits asiba adopted. But so far mina when it comes to ama spirits ngisavuma yona iBenini. Masikhuluma ngespirit into efakwa ingaphumi.
Yeah. Benini ne
efakwa ingaphumi ngishigona la khona into khona ukuthi mawethi ijakwala
should yathathwa lapha ne
no bayaphilisa mase
baphilisa. Oh okay, wrong wedding ne
baphilisa.
So ucabanga ukuthi siyenza nini 100,000 subscribers la
Esicabanga ukuthi sidoyenta nini? Let's give each other a week or so.
100,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
A week or so.
How many subscribers now?
Now they're approaching 10,000.
10,000.
Yeah.
100,000.
Yes.
Kule ngivashile esikoleni tothola more than 100,000.
Kize esikolweni ne?
Yeah, ufuna uthola more than 100,000.
Yeah. Izokwenzeka like in a week.
Within 2 weeks. If utile esikoleni, if awufika ngababona ukuthi ungareach.
Yeah. Awenzeni?
If awufika ngababona ukuthi ungareach 100,000 subscribers, uthe 10 for now. You want 100,000 subscribers.
Yes.
Alright. So ufunele ukungoti noma ufuna ngena ngoti.
Asifuna ungozi, sifuna ziyenzeke nje, net le engakhambisani nobungozi.
Ufuna umntana wesithathu kahle kahle.
Umntwana wesithathu?
Ufuna ukeda umntana wesithathu. Ufuna ukeda third power. Ufuna umntana wesithathu.
Phela naso letha lezi zithusako phela. Zisemathuneni ebusuku. No.
No problem.
Sizoyenza mara ne?
100,000
according to your third eye.
Ngikutshela khulile.
Okay.
Ngikuhlayela phansi ngijulele.
Okay.
Bese siyabona ukuthi ama viewers asithanza kangakanani.
All right. Ukhona ku social media msne?
Yeah, but I'm not umuntu we social media kakhulu, umuntu wesikolo too much. But if ngifuna ku social media mina it's only WhatsApp and Facebook.
All right. Do you mind to mention that?
No, I don't mind.
Okay.
On WhatsApp it's 083 246 0231 or 073 739 1662. On Facebook, it's King Mavula Mjericho. King Mavula Mjericho.
All right. By saying that, siyayivala lezo. Sisho konke ngithi what today. Then next time we'll continue from where we left.
Yeah, next time siyobe sesikhuluma ngokuthi uma ngaphane uvusa ispirit, what are the benefits?
All right.
Uma ngaphane ufaka something in your blood.
Yeah.
What are the benefits? Uma ngifaka into okuhlola, what are the benefits? Ngiba muhle kuphi? Ngihluka ngani kwetinye inyanga? Bangisaba kanjani? Because there are people who cannot prophesy or bakhulume something kukhona. Bangagcina ngokuthula nje. Even thunge nesontweni bangagcina ukhala kude lo bato kusho utithulele nje. Bese uyachamuka wena uthi mana kancane ngosiyami kuthiwa sengiyilanzi indzaba before sesingene sihlangene ngomsebenzi omuntu othide la khayo wahamba so if it's something regarding someone washo if uthi nisenkondweni ithi yo mana kunomuntu osenzaweni ukuthi wafaka umuntu ekuthiwa usibani bani.
I know asivala asihlangane kodwa ehleleni linye elilandelako sharp